Yeah man, welcome back to Sandy and Bones TV. And from where we have dropped some video with Queenie and I telling us say yo Queenie and Dewey end up on the brink for break up your seat and things not right from the anniversary thing. Yeah man, so yo, and that I go on your seat and then break up you know, but you don't know and I really break them and break up at first now. Queenie has stressed out the man you see it and with a loud up voice and things so yo, the man say yo, someone fall man go chill around him family. But Queenie just go live and say yo the thing done, you see it. And yo them woman they want you marry them more while and you have some ways now. And then I want to change them ways to please you know, but if you have some ways, woman want you just chill and change your ways to please them. And then when you change your ways to please them, at them then the time then show them dirty side, you see me? So yo, I don't have not much to say still about that. The best thing happened to do and you see it. Him leave and run that woman are too vulgar still, yeah man. Now young you now go stay around that woman where you act certain way like this. You see it? Very disrespectful still, but it's a nice black woman still. She if you just look at her age, better she could deal with one of the fish them where she dey run or something. Yeah man, that's a match there. Big up yourself doing and the right thing you do. And that me I say. Yo, drop on a comment, no business on one comment, just comment you see it. Yeah man, and like up a video. I'll share it out too.
It burn me for see the girl where you have a sit down and make your 4-year-old son rude to you and disrespect you. Sit down every time you call him, make him say all offensive things about you. And she sit down and she call you, you know, so she there find a platform and I go put harden for you to mash up your marriage. For your son? How sad are you, Trisha? And where am I going to use mine, the son? You're ball for me. Money. Yeah, boss said, do you for mind your pitney? So when you send him back to Jamaica, the mother send him to go back down there. And the mother give your son money for a month. What I go give? When I work and move, figure Jamaica, figure Dewey. Ear to no ear, no love Dewey, no bad mind Dewey. And Dewey fall right and I need to not trap. You hear that? Him fall right and I need to not trap. But you see you do it, me tell you. Me nah wish you no bad. Me nah fight him. Never ever know me a come from blood. Your boy your blood. If you have a pitchy patchy blood, go yeah, your blood ugly baby mother. Trisha, yeah, man, yeah. So all that blood is me full of quality. Me full of love. I'm full of care. And see the way I take care of that the body, it must be too much. But it could have been. You hear that? At 6 months now my daughter dead. I'm still be. Me wonder how me do it. Me never know I could have lived without blood shell. But not even a ball. Yeah, every time I talk about my pitney, that reach me. And when me see, me rise a bed. You think doing mama did I go stay behind phone with blood, WhatsApp, and done every time, woman. You think me never gonna get back in your nasty blood? Doing mama, me eat blood as much as you eat me. Woman, you mash up your son life cause you one mash up. The man was sent for America. You call me, you tell me crazy me in the office now a divorce man. It a come in with you and that you want. But your son nah get back the you and him have to go file for divorce. Cause me a aunt to no blood. You hear that? Me nah ball, me ball for my pitney. Me nah ball for Dewey. I do enough balling already. Me do moving pitchy patchy. Me nah bleach. Me see somebody write this man about me. I reach out bleaching cream stink no blood. It stink like Dewey and him mama and him gwen. I mean I want blood back in my blood. That's why I make sure I class you know. So I sign the blood. And I tell me for neither no fool. You hear that? Your family them will have a blood Houston. All along you there at Jamaica, you never have blue. But as me, I have one little bus and Uber. When I ask the cab man, which part them I go? Houston. You got to take a woman, husband out of them house, then go Houston, me not put my hand on him. What am I blue? Not black out. Woman, you must me sit down and take it. You and your mama take that blackmail now. Nah, and trick. I wanna go. color that is. That would make I'm going to stand up for me. Because I have a blood to stand up to me. I have a husband who run a left blood. Because them baby mother pass harder. Trisha, your day will be coming. You see the man where you have name? Where the little boy godfather where I left you to him wife, and do it. Time is the virtue. A long time I sit down and wish my bad. Me never come in your life. When me coming up, do it single. Cause you not chat to him for how long, cause you tell him to go suck him big. Remember that make you my husband, not the deal. I will go to Jamaica, I'ma ask him. And him show me and him show me say I'm a baby mother, this man I can't agree. You block him, and you not deal with him. And when you see me and him going now, you start. But the body, wait till your body get better. If you build up your blood, and you come trouble me. And when you trouble me, I'm going to take it to blood. I know you're there on YouTube. I have to talk to, I have to suck out my nose wall. The wall of blood. I earn famousness. I earn celebrity. I earn icon. I earn wife. I earn the queen. And none of you can take that from me. God was make me chosen. Do it. You not style me. England big and white. You pass your place. Anybody where you cock up blood right now, make them give you the message. Cause I know you now look. Or you will block. Who you think you get to put up back? You know you soon come back where? And some of you married, and some of you live. You not have that. You not style. You can't be a man, and you can't talk well bitch. Well talk to the worship and class you. Cause of that you man. Everything wherever you see you fall right back into it. You know, see me sit my car now hold back nice. When the people them write up on the internet say me you left, and me left you at Jamaica. Your attitude was so thing and it wasn't dragging me. I have to do it. Remember me I get the shit and this thing you say, you know? The only thing them say about you say you might see me because you want to come and go, you know, which you hear yourself never know if you're going to reach, you know. How would that? Hello, Ace. Wow. You alright? I love you. Come give me a hug and kiss. Bad man, you never know the side boy until you see my ramp up with my grandpit to them. And him and them a play up. Where you did S0n your son from phone. You tell your son for disrespect the way. Me ear out of my ears. And the thing them with the little boy thought I mouth towards do it. You must bad man cause your heart not clean. Yeah, that bad man she for have him with them son. You're the S0n your son at it. Because you're jealous and bad man. You expect those 50 at Jamaica and bleach and just down there and bleach. And look maga and suck out. Tracy put on a little weight, the boy put on weight and look good now about myself. Me, proud of my glad self. You hear that? I'm forever proud of myself because I do good. I take 1 2 out of the sum. And it hurt me. Sister do a mother I've done for 31 years. And you're going to find how much in time. I not even send him to Island. And you come and fight against me? To make me feel like say, me is less than a wife. Me the best I'm to do it. Remember that. And there's many more come. What I do in my life is me to live and me to live. Russell dead and gone and me to live and still have. Oh no! You get up and say, when I'm a RT boss a trouble me a juju. When I'm a juju a bugo. When I'm a bugo a skugo. I'm still there and stand firm. And my glory will come. And everyone no try to put me down. I am going to rise again stronger, strong and awful. Me not have no fear. You hear that? I am a trust and obey in. Trust and obey. There is no